Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log out of Trust Wallet. If you are logged into your Trust Wallet account and you'd like to get out of it by logging it out so that no one will be able to access to it, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to log out of Trust Wallet, then you won't be able to find the log out button within the Trust Wallet application. What you can do instead is go to your settings on your Android phone, tap it on, and under settings, search for apps and tap it on as well. Now, from the list of the applications displayed on the screen, search for Trust Wallet. Once you find the application, tap it on. You'll end up in the app info page. Go to storage from the options and tap on clear data at the bottom left corner of the screen. From the pop-up, select OK. Now what happens after you do that is all of your data files will be deleted from the application. Now, if you open up your application, you'll need to go ahead and log into your account from the start. That is the only way you'll be able to log out of your Trust Wallet application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.